In this quick and simple video, we'll show you how you can easily download Instagram Reels on your iPhone or Android device. If you found a funny or useful Instagram Reel that you want to save to your photo gallery and show your friends or family members, then I'll show you how you can download them in just a few simple steps. Let's open our Instagram application and then find an Instagram Reel that you would like to download. As you may know, Instagram doesn't give us an option to save or download our videos to the gallery, so we will have to use another method. What you want to do is to tap on this little sharing icon at the right side of the screen, and that's going to open our sharing menu. We won't share this to anyone, but we have to find an option called copy link and click on it. We will use this links for later. After that, you want to exit your Instagram application and open any web browser on your mobile. I'm using an iPhone, so I'll open Safari, but you can do this in Google Chrome for Android or any other. It doesn't matter. Open your browser and go to google.com. Now, in Google, we have to type download Instagram Reel and search for it. We'll get a couple of different search results, but the site that I recommend you use is called SSS Instagram. I'm gonna leave the website link in the video description so you can open the website from there. When you open it, the website is gonna look something like this, and we just have to paste the Reel link that we had copied into this little box. When you paste it, click on the download button and wait a couple of seconds. As you can see, here is our video right here, and all you have to do is to tap on the download button. Maybe an ad will appear, but you can close it and tap on download. Now wait a couple of seconds or minutes until your Instagram Reel video downloads, and you just have to save it into your photo gallery. And that's it for this video, everyone. If this was helpful, then make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.